You must feel the force around you. Here, between you, me, the tree, the rock, everywhere.
Hurry up, get on with it.
First off, we've got the device itself. It's got quite a bit of weight to it, and the fabric feels quite nice. We'll take a closer look later on. Next up, we've got the instruction manual with a separate leaflet for privacy controls. Finally, we have the power cable, which I assume only works with the Nest. Now, if we focus back on the device, on this side you'll find the voice control switch, and right next to it, the charging port. The underside has a rubbery feel to it, which helps with gripping most surfaces. And that is the Google Nest Mini unboxed.